Ever heard of Beforepay? This app lets you access your earned wages early, which can be a lifesaver in a pinch. But here's the burning question. Can you actually use PayPal to cash out your early wages with Beforepay? Let's dive in and find out. Beforepay is gaining popularity, and for good reason. Imagine getting paid a few days early. That extra cash flow can cover unexpected expenses, help you avoid late fees, or even give you a little extra breathing room. But what about payment options? PayPal is a giant in the online payment world, so it's a natural question to wonder if it's compatible with Beforepay. The good news is, yes, you can generally use PayPal to receive your early wages from Beforepay. Most Beforepay users will have the option to link their PayPal account and receive their funds directly there. This offers a convenient and widely accepted way to access your money quickly. Using PayPal with Beforepay comes with some key advantages. Convenience. PayPal is incredibly easy to use. You can send and receive money quickly and securely, often with just a few clicks. Wide acceptance. PayPal is accepted by millions of businesses and individuals worldwide, making it incredibly versatile for online shopping, paying bills, and transferring funds. Security. PayPal has robust security measures in place to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind when transacting online. While PayPal is generally a great option with Beforepay, there are a few things to keep in mind. Processing times. PayPal transactions usually process quickly, but there might be slight delays depending on the time of day and the volume of transactions. Fees. Be mindful of any potential fees associated with using PayPal, such as transaction fees or currency conversion fees, especially if you're dealing with international transactions. Beforepay's specific policies. Always check Beforepay's official terms and conditions regarding supported payment methods and any associated fees or limitations. Here are a few tips to make the most of using PayPal with Beforepay. Link your accounts. Ensure your PayPal account is properly linked to your Beforepay account to avoid any delays in receiving your funds. Review fees. Carefully review the fee structure of both Beforepay and PayPal to understand the total cost of using the service. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Beforepay's customer support for assistance. So, can you use PayPal on Beforepay? In most cases, yes. PayPal offers a convenient and widely accepted way to receive your early wages. Just remember to review the terms and conditions and be mindful of any potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.